these forests. They've been growing there for at least 65 million years.
And that's what we're here for today, to save the little that's left of this sort of magnificence.
Part warrior, part man of peace, but always committed to a cause.
He's not out to make money. He's not out for his power or possessions. He's there because he has a spiritual connection with that forest, then he's willing to fight for it.
We are here to stop destruction.
It's like a whole subterranean train network all humming around and buzzing, and we have no sense of that when we walk through the forest.
I came out of jail one day, the next day was elected into Parliament.
For him to grow the way he did was remarkable, absolutely remarkable.